Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Boxycharm base box for April 2020. If you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty and makeup subscription that has 3 levels. They have their base, premium, and luxe. In today's video, I will be unboxing the base box, which retails for $25, and it comes with 5 full-size products. So let's open up the box and see what we have inside for this month. After opening up the box, the first item I see is a card, and the theme for this month's box is Festival Vibes. When you open up the card, it tells you a little bit about each product inside the box and the retail value of each items. There is also another card that advertises the makeup eraser, which is something I'm not really interested in. If I received this in this month's box, then I will give it a try. But since I didn't, it wouldn't be something that I would go out to buy. The first item we have in the box is from Benefit. It is their Porefessional primer. This is an item that everyone received in their base box. You either get the original face primer or their hydrating primer. I did fill out my profile saying that I have very dry skin, so I wonder why they send me this one instead of the hydrating primer. Instead, the one I have is their original Porefessional face primer, which retails for $32. I actually also own a mini-size version of this exact primer. This primer quickly minimized the appearance of pores and fine lines for smoother than smooth skin. The translucent formula contains a vitamin E derivative known to protect skin from free radical. Apply this silky, lightweight balm alone under or over makeup. I have used it on clients with visible pores and it worked quite well if you have pores to fill. I have tried this primer before in the past and it isn't my favorite. I don't have very many pores and this product is not for me. And if I do have to use this up, I would probably use it just around my T-zone, and I will use another primer to fill up the other areas on my face. The second item we have in the box is the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice, which was an item that I picked to have in my box for this month. Everyone gets one choice for each month, and the choices were the Zoea eyeshadow palette for $28, the Elemis Superfood Cica Calm Hydration Juice for $48, or the Elemis Superfood Calm Cleansing Foam for $32. To be honest, none of the choices were really appealing to me. I didn't choose an eyeshadow palette because I know that I'm going to be receiving a lot more eyeshadow palettes in the future. And I also did not pick the cleansing foam because I have a lot of cleanser that I need to go through and I do not need any more. I ended up picking the Elemis Superfood Hydration Juice because it was the most expensive out of the 3 and it retails for $48. This is a gel moisturizer that delivers instant cooling hydration to help soothe dehydrated or sensitive skin. It is loaded with vitamin-packed superfood and 75% organic aloe. The vegan-friendly formula moisturizes and improves the looks of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced-looking complexion. I was already reading a lot of good reviews about this product before I picked it, and I was looking forward to giving it a try. Since this is a gel moisturizer, it would be a moisturizer that I would only use in the morning. And in the back, it actually also says that, that you should apply this every morning after cleansing. The third item we have in the box is the iconic London Illuminator, which retails for $41. This concentrated liquid shimmer that you can mix with your foundation for a more glowy look. You also use it as a primer or moisturizer or simply use it on its own as a highlighter. I find it weird that they say that you can use this as a moisturizer, which I don't think I would be using it in that kind of way. I could add this to my foundation or use it as a highlighter. A little does go a long way. I only used a little bit and you can already see the beautiful liquid gold. You can see that the color is very intense. I am usually not a fan of liquid highlighter, but I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to try to use this as a highlighter on my cheek. I am just going to put a couple of dots on my cheek and then pat it in. Then keep patting it until it is nicely blended. If you want, you can also use your beauty blender to buff it out. I actually don't mind this and I like it as a highlighter. The fourth item I have in the box is the Dose of Color Lip It Up Satin Lipstick. The shade I have here is Fudge. The shiny rose gold packaging is quite nice. From looking at the color, I am not even going to swatch it. It looks like a very dark brown color. This reminds me of the brown color I got in my previous Boxycharm Premium featuring Fenty Beauty, except this color is even darker, which is not my favorite. I wish they would send me a color that is more wearable. I did take a look at the swatches online, and I know that the quality of this lipstick is very good, and it is a very pigmented color. I will probably end up giving this away because it is a color that I will not be wearing. The last item I have in the box is from Illuminati Gel Paint Electric Pink and Blue Dual, which retails for $40. Electrify your look with this gel paint in electric pink and electric blue. Wing it out for a dramatic look or pop it in the inner corners of your eyes for a bold look. At first, I thought that these were lip pencils, but they are actually eyeliners. After swatching these, the colors appear to be very creamy and very vibrant. These would be very fun colors to play with, but it wouldn't be something that I would use every day. So that's everything inside this month's box. This box is $25, so let's add up everything inside so that we can get a total value of the box. The first item we have was the Benefit Cosmetic Professional Primer for $32, the Elemis Superfood Hydration Juice for $48, the iconic London Illuminator for $41, Dose of Color Lipstick for $17, and the Illuminati Pink and Blue Dual Eye Pencil for $42. The total value of this box is $180. I would say that I'm only okay with all the items in this month's box, and if I really had to pick an item, it would probably be the Elemis Hydration Juice, which would be something I would use, but everything else in the box was a meh for me. Let me know what you think about this month's base box in the comment section below. Did you like the items you received, or did you not like the items you received? I always love hearing what other people's thoughts are on the box. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.